Peugeot is a maker that actually doles out some brilliant carts in the time of SUVs. The 2022 Peugeot 308 SW debuts, getting more style and added reasonableness to the minimal portion. In case Peugeot is intending to grab hybrid customers with style, the 308 SW is the right instrument for the work. The minimal cart is a gorgeous sight with its acquired front end from the Incubate. It continues the tooth-like DRLs and the sharp grid LED headlamps, assuming a supporting role to the chrome-studded barbecue which wears the new Peugeot logo. Because of the cart's prolonged roofline and deliciously done incline towards the back window, the 2022 308 SW looks attractive from the side as well. The 16-inch to 18-inch wheel choices adds more energy to the view from this point. The back is certifiably not an alternate story with the thin LED tail lights and edged guards. The iCockpit inside design of the Peugeot 308 SW incorporates a 10-inch touchscreen and an advanced instrument group. The infotainment framework gets Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. An edged controlling wheel configuration hoists the driver's primary touch point. The 308 SW, being a cart, is honored with acceptable boot space, 608 liters of it. The 2022 Peugeot 308 SW gets a decision of two module crossbreed powertrains. The two of them get a 81 kWh engine, and a 12.4 kWh battery. The distinction lies in the petroleum engine that is hitched to them. The lower trim gets a 150 pole motor, taking the all-out yield to 180 HP. The higher trim extracts 180 drive from petroleum derivatives alone. This factory holds hands with the juice from the battery to produce 225 drive, consolidated. Both these force plants are snared to an 8-speed transmission. As the battery is something similar, the two models get 60 km of electric reach. On the off chance that electric force doesn't make you day, a regular 1.2-liter motor can be your pick. This little engine siphons out either 110 pull or 130 strength, in view of the condition of tune. These can be mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission or a similar 8-speed programmed from the half and halves. A 1.5-liter diesel is additionally in the blend. As an all-electric 308 hatchback adaptation is not far off, it might simply involve time before the cart takes a similar course. It is far-fetched the 308 station cart will be offered to the world, as the ordinary hatchback has negligible deals here.